it's Ellie. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing our first Valentine's Day video. I love Valentine's Day because I just love. I think it's such a fun holiday to celebrate not only your significant other, but all of the people in your life that you love. We are all decked out in a very fun Valentine's Day look. I did some cute hair. I put some little hearts in my eyes. I am feeling all of the love today, so I'm super excited to dive in and show you what I found on Etsy. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on in. So first I wanted to start off with a few of the smaller gifts. These are things that are very inexpensive but are still very meaningful and unique. The first is something that I feel like is a universal relationship issue, and it is deciding where you want to eat. And these are a super funny and unique way to decide. They're super cute little dice that you roll. It's definitely a funny gift that I feel like would actually be put to really good use too. Then they have these super cute scratch off Valentine's Day cards. They have lots of different options. I specifically like these vintage Game Boy ones, but there are tons on there. I'm actually going to be doing a DIY gifts video coming up soon, and I'm going to show you how to make these yourself. So that is another option, but if you want something that's a little bit more structured or you're just not a very crafty person, these could be a really good option, and they're super inexpensive too. There's also this really cute photo magnet that's very customizable. You could put any type of picture on there, and I think this is such a cute little way to just share a bit of a personalized touch. If the person that you're gifting to, the couple, your significant other, if anyone in your life is a big fan of Legos, these are super cute. They're little keychains, they're super simple, and when you put them together, they make a heart. I absolutely love these. My boyfriend and I would really get a good use out of these because we are obsessed with Lego Masters. It's one of our favorite shows. So I feel like this is something that's meaningful, but also very unique too. If that's not your vibe, you can get a custom keychain. There are so many different options on Etsy. I really like these photo ones, but you can get some that are more funny, some cheeky ones, some that are a little bit more raunchy, and everything in between. I will leave a bunch of different options linked down below. If they already have a lot of keychains or that's just not your vibe, I really love this custom air freshener. I feel like everybody could use an air freshener in their car, and this one is so cute. You can pick whatever picture you want. It could be a picture of the two of you, it could be a picture of their dog or something that they really love, and there are lots of different scents to pick from, so I feel like this is a very fun and personable gift. If the person that you're gifting to is more in the geeky or nerdy side, there are lots of different options too. I shared some bath bombs in my small business gift guide for the holiday season, which I'll have linked up in the cards as well. They have a ton of different options that are super fun. You could also go for more of a custom portrait. I feel like these are really cool. I love this Rick and Morty one. You could get one on a Pokemon card. Tons and tons of different options that I feel like are super unique. Kind of similarly, you could also get a custom card itself if they're into Pokemon. I really love this gold one that's more designed for an anniversary. I feel like this is super special and very meaningful. You could also get one that is custom made of their pet or someone's pet that they really love. My best friend, for example, is obsessed with my dog and Pokemon, so I feel like this is definitely something that she would love. If you want something that is a little bit more classic and retro, they have this really cute mixtape flash drive. It comes in this super cute mixtape packaging, and you can write whatever you want on it, but they can just plug it into their computer and they have the mixtape on there. I think this is just super fun, and I think music is a great way to share how much you love someone. There are also a ton of different mugs that I love. This one is super cute. It says, "You are my favorite human being," and I think it's so precious. There are some that I think are really cute if you met on a dating site. There's this Tinder one, for example, but they also have a Hinge candle, some Bumble items as well. There are lots of different ways to show the modern love story in a super cute and unique way too. If you want to go a super sentimental route, I really love this Reasons Why I Love You jar. It's a super cute way to brighten someone's day and give your loved one a little boost of love. I think this is super cute, comes in tons of different options, and these come blank so you can write whatever message you want. There's also this super cute box of date nights that you and your partner or the couple that you're gifting to can do together. There are tons of creative ideas and it comes in a super aesthetic and easy to follow packaging. I think this is a really great and unique gift. Similarly, there are lots of other options that are very unique as well. There are some more specific date night boxes that are targeted towards one specific date. I feel like that would be a really great way to just do a small gesture for the people in your life. I also am absolutely in love with the custom blankets that Etsy has. This one is probably one of my favorites because my boyfriend and I are so big into video games. I just think that both of us would love this one. But there are tons of different options on there with lots of different personality traits and interests, so you can certainly find something for anybody on your list regardless of what they like, and who doesn't love a nice cozy blanket. There are tons of great apparel items on Etsy that I think would make some super great gifts. Get your anniversary or the day you met or any day of significance embroidered onto couples hoodies. They also have some that are silhouettes too, which I think are so beautiful and unique. These went super viral on TikTok and I see why they're super adorable. If you don't like that vibe, you could just get something that they're very interested in. This one is one that I think is so cute for Valentine's Day. I'm a big crime junkie, so I feel like this is a super cute one, but there are lots of different options for any type of interest on Etsy. Like I said, I will have a bunch of different ideas linked down below. I also fell in love with this belt. I think this is so funny and very, very practical. It has a kind of cheeky message on it that I think is really, really funny. And since it is just a nice quality belt, it's something that they could get a lot of really good use out of as well. If you and your partner or a couple that you're gifting to like to go on lots of walks, there's this really cute love glove. I think this is such an adorable idea and I've actually been wanting to make one for a really long time. It is a glove that you can share so that you can hold hands while you're walking. I think this is so cheesy, but I think it's so cute too. I would definitely love to get this, and like I said, I'm going to try and make it. So if it works out, you'll see it in that video. There are also a bunch of different wall art pieces that I think are so fun. There are lots of different scratch-offs that are super cool. You can go for more of a travel or food related one. I specifically love this travel one that is all around the country. I feel like this is super, super fun. There's also one that's a national park that I think is so fun for anyone in your life who loves to travel and visit different national parks. I think this is super, super cute. Or you can get, like I said, some fun food ones where you can scratch off different recipes to try and meals to make. I think this is a super fun idea for the person or the couple in your life that really loves to cook. This piece is absolutely gorgeous. You actually send in a picture of the couple's eyes or you and your partner's eyes, and they make this beautiful piece with the actual colors and design of your specific eyes. I think this is so pretty and beautiful, and it has a really nice meaning behind it too, so it's a very special piece to get. The last category that I want to share is the food category. There are tons of amazing dessert makers on Etsy, and it was really hard for me to narrow this down, but I found some really, really good ones that I'm super excited to share with you. The first one is this set of retro cookies. These are Valentine's Day themed in the cutest way. I love the little cartoon drawings on them and the cute characters that this artist made. They look so good, and the reviews say they taste delicious. If you want something a little bit smaller, there's this set of cookies that says, "I love you a waffle lot," and I think that's so cute. I am a sucker for a good pun, and this is a really good one in my opinion. It comes with a really cute waffle and a really cute heart in a super cute little gift box that I think would just make someone's day. There are also these conversation heart covered Oreos. I am a big Oreo fan, and this looks so delicious. I love the conversation heart design, even though I'm not a big fan of conversation hearts. I'm curious if you are, because personally I think they're disgusting, but let me know if you disagree in the comments down below. I think these are the best way to have conversation hearts, and with an Oreo on the inside, I mean, come on, I'm sold. If cookies are not your vibe, you could go for this full dessert box. They have chocolate covered pretzels and strawberries and lollipops, and everything comes in a beautiful box in super nice packaging. This is a super special way to send some love, and who doesn't love a good treat? So that was everything that I had to share with you from Etsy. I am super excited for the Valentine's Day season. Like I said, I just think it's such a fun holiday and I love gifting for it. So I have so many fun videos planned for you. Stay tuned for when we have another gift guide. And if you didn't find something that you're looking for, definitely check out my previous gift guides in the playlist above so you can find even more ideas. I really look forward to seeing you in my next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!